no proof is not enough.
Welcome guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to see how to deal with how to use the superglobal variables $_cookie and $_session. Now the main difference if we talk about cookie and session is when you go to any website. So website usually stores some data on your browser, using cookies. So what happens is, if for example you searched on eBay or Amazon about some product, and when you go to any other website, you might have noticed sometimes the Google gives the ad of similar product that you searched just a moment ago or an hour ago, because they have the cookie set that they get the data from. They just check your interests and try to give you the similar results so that they can make sale. So this is how websites usually give you a notification to accept or decline the cookies when you go to the websites. So this is how a website store cookies into your browser. Now the session is something when, for example, you go to any website and you log in, you get into a session, and it is more secure than cookies, and it stores some data into your session. As you log out, generally the session gets destroyed by that. So let's see how we can set the cookie, because first we're going to check that and then the session. So when you want to set a cookie, what do? You get the value, whatever value you want to store, and you use set cookie, and you provide the name as it's showing there. So I'm going to say, let's say I have a e-commerce website, and a user comes and checks for some product, and it checks for t-shirts, and I want to check what color he likes. So I say red color, just to make a point here. Now I want to say alright, so I want to check this and I want to store this data, and I want it to store for 1 hour. Like if a user is not active after 1 hour, this cookie should destroy itself. So we say use a function on time, and we simply say okay, it's going to be 60 seconds in 1 minute, and then going to be into 60, because 1 hour has 60 minutes. So this is going to set the cookie for 1 hour. Now what are we going to do if we want to access this? So if you want to get this value and want to use it somewhere, you simply say echo, and you use the superglobal cookie, and you pass the name of the value that you stored. So you just pass this, and if we go to the browser and refresh, okay, we get the red. Actually I had to do the hard refresh for it, and you press Ctrl and F5 to hard refresh. It is important in some cases. So I set the cookie straight away, and it is set for 1 hour. So you can see the color and the detail. You can have multiple data that you want to save in a cookie. Now if you want to save the data regarding session, so let's do that now. So let's say we got a user logged in, and we want to save user age or name. So we simply say $_session, and we say user_name, and we can get the value from user form, and we will do that in coming videos. But for now, just to check this session superglobal, we are going to pass here. So I say Tom, and if we are talking about Tom's age, so let's do that too. I'm going to put here age, so we 29. Alright, now if we want to access it, that is quite simple. The way we set it, the same way we get it. So we simply get here, we say user, and then we can say is. Alright, so we are echoing it, it should give us the string. I'm gonna refresh here again. So it's Tom is 29 years old. So I might want a space here. So you get the point. If you want to store, if you got a user successful logged in and you want to use this value now, which there's a benefit of using session. We can use and access the value on multiple pages using this session, because user is in session. Now these things will get clear when we are going to work on project, and I'll show you how it all works. But for now, we store user related data and any data that we want to maintain, and we can store inside cookies as well as session. So this is how it works. So I hope you like it. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.
And although it's not in her